In this question, we're going to find the second derivative, and it'll involve the chain rule. So we re-express the square root of this expression as the expression quantity to the 1/2. To take the first derivative, we simply use the chain rule as follows, remembering to multiply when we're done the first step by the derivative of the interior of the bracket. So what we now have is an opportunity to take the derivative of this expression. Well, this is going to involve the product rule. We're going to take the derivative of 1/2 times 4x squared minus 8x plus 1 to the negative 1/2. And doing that, we do that by going negative 1/2 times 1/2 is negative 1/4 times this expression. Subtract 1 from that, but remember to multiply by the derivative of the interior. So that's the derivative of the first, times the second, which is another 8x minus 8, plus the first times derivative of the second. The derivative of 8x minus 8 is 8. Well, now what we have is, looking at this, we have 8x minus 8 times 8x minus 8, which is 8x minus 8 quantity squared. We have a negative 1, so we multiply that. And in the denominator, we have 4 times this expression to the positive 3/2. We're going to add 8 over 2 times this expression to the positive 1/2. And we see that our common denominator in this case is going to be 4 times this expression to the 3/2. We can achieve that by simply multiplying the second denominator by 2 and by 4x squared minus 8x plus 1. We now have a common denominator, and so we use that as our common denominator, and we also expand our numerators and bring everything together in one term. And when we do that, we get, surprisingly enough, a new denominator of negative 40, a new numerator of negative 48. And we see an opportunity here to simply divide both numerator and denominator by 4, and so our final simplified answer for our second derivative is shown.